The artist on your screen does not exist.
No delay, the future won't be led astray. Light it up, watch it rise. Cold metal meets electric eyes. Pulse by pulse, it learns to see. This is how tomorrow.
No band, no studio, no camera, and a song made with AI recently helped an artist land a real $3 million record deal. In the next few minutes, I will show you how creators are building their own AI music artists and turning one song into a full music video without music or editing skills. And this is not just hype. Meet Zanya Monet, an R&B singer who is not a real person. She became the first AI artist to appear on a Billboard radio chart and signed a $3 million deal with a real record label. She is not the only one. A UK creator named Oliver McCann, better known as Imaliver, became the first AI music creator signed by a label after one of his songs crossed 3 million streams. Two creators, two big wins. And the main difference between them and most beginners is not talent, it is having the right workflow. If you've tried making AI music before, you know the frustration. You might have a song you love, but turning it into a full music video feels impossible. You're left with just the audio. No visuals, no engaging content for social media, and no easy way to share it with your audience. Most creators quit at this stage because the gap between making a song and having a ready-to-post video seems too big. Today, I'm showing a tool that solves both problems. It not only helps you create music effortlessly, but also transforms your songs into complete music videos, ready for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. This is Tunee AI. The first thing you notice is that it does not feel confusing. Instead of a scary prompt box, you get a simple chat interface. You can type your idea or upload an audio file. That also means a song you already made, say in Suno, can come straight in. You can also upload image or videos for inspiration. There is also a fast mode when you want a quick result, and you can search current trends inside the tool, so you are not just making random music. Let us use both. Let us start with the song first, then turn it into a video. Instead of writing a long prompt, I just describe the vibe. A dark trap beat with heavy bass and atmospheric vocals for a tech reveal. No BPM, no music theory. It feels like texting a producer. In seconds, Tunee gives me two versions to choose from, and honestly, listen to that.
Then the hum begins to trend. Light it up, watch it rise. Light it up, watch it rise. Cold metal meets electric.
The vocals are clean, and the lyrics are better than I expected. Once you have a song you like, you can edit the lyrics, adjust the song structure, and download it in different formats. On a paid plan, Tunee also provides commercial rights and a copyright certificate so you can use the music on your channel with more confidence. If this is useful, hit like and subscribe to ninjatech. It really helps the channel, because the song is only half of it. What happens next is the part most people have never seen. Now we turn the song into a full music video. I click Make MV, you can choose the length, 15 seconds for TikTok and Reels, 30 seconds for Stories, or 60 seconds for Shorts. You can also select the exact part of the track. After selection, click Next. The powerful part is the AI character. You can create one virtual artist and reuse the same identity in every song and video. One face, endless content, no camera, perfect for faceless YouTube or TikTok channels. After that, Tunee builds the visual plan. You get hundreds of styles to choose from. For this video, I am using Seedance 2.0 for the video because it gives realistic motion and clean audio sync. For the visuals, I am using GPT Image 2 in 16:9 format. Then Tunee generates a script and creates consistent visual guidelines, so every shot feels connected instead of random. Next, it builds the storyboard. This usually takes around 1 to 5 minutes. The video is split into small segments and each segment is generated separately. And you're never stuck with your first take. Tweak any scene you don't love by adjusting the prompt. Or regenerate it entirely. No need to re-render the whole video. There is also a lip sync option if you want your character to sing the words, and a voice color setting to fine-tune the vocals. A few minutes later, a simple text idea becomes a song, and that song becomes a finished music video ready to post. And once you can repeat this workflow, a real content opportunity opens up. Now you have a finished music video.
No warning, no delay. The future won't be led astray. Light it up, watch it rise. Cold metal meets
And this is where it gets interesting. Faceless channels are already posting AI music videos and getting strong views. The idea is simple. Create one reusable artist, keep making songs and videos, and build a content engine from your laptop. It still takes good ideas, strong visuals, and consistency, but the workflow is now much easier than before. If you want to try Tunee AI, the link in the description gets you started for free. You get 200 credits when you sign up, plus 100 free credits every day you log in. No card needed. Then drop a comment and tell me, what is the first song you would make? Huge thanks to Tunee AI for making this video possible. And quick reminder, this channel is for education, not financial advice. Every project takes real effort. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.